This is question 16 on the Foundation Calculator paper. The first thing I notice is there's a star next to the question number, which means that there's some quality of written communication marks for this question. The question says, Ashley wants to buy some tins of paint. He finds out the cost of paint at two shops. So here are the two shops, Paint R Us and Deco Mart. At this shop, the normal price is £2.19 a tin, but there's a special offer. Buy 2 tins at the normal price and get the third tin free. So you get the third tin free. So you get 3 tins for 2 lots of £2.19. At the other shop, the normal price is £1.18 a tin, and the special offer is 10% off the normal price. So you're going to pay for each tin 10% less than £1.80. Ashley needs 9 tins of paint. He wants to get all the paint from the same shop. He wants to pay the cheapest possible total price. Which of the two shops should he buy the paint from? Okay, so I need a bit of extra space for this. So I'm going to move this upwards so we could actually see all the information. And this is a Best Buy question, so I'm going to split the page into 2 sections. So I'm just going to draw a line down the middle, and I'm going to do my calculations for each shop on either side of that. So for the first shop, Paint R Us. Now because he needs 9 tins of paint, right? So for 9 tins, he's going to buy 2 and then get the third free. So for every 2 he buys, he ends up getting 3 tins altogether. Because he needs 9, he'll need to buy 6 tins. Yeah, if you buy 6 tins, he'll get 3 more. So he needs to buy 6 tins at the price of £2.19, and that would give him 9 tins altogether, because he's going to get 3 free altogether. So I need to work that out. And if you get your calculator, 6 times £2.19, and that gives you £13.14. And that's how much it's going to cost him there. Okay, going to the other shop, so that's Paint R Us. Going to the other shop, Deco. The normal price is going to be £1.80, and he's going to get 10% off the normal price. So I'm going to work out first of all 10% of £1.80. Now 10% of £1.80, you should be able to do that without a calculator. If you do use the calculator, you just divide £1.80 by 10, so that's going to end up giving me 0.18, right, pounds, or in other words 18 pence. And so how much is he going to pay? So the price is going to be £1.80, take away 18 pence, and I'll use my calculator for that. I'm sure there are other ways you could do it. Well, you could use non-calculator techniques. I reckon the answer is going to be £1.68, or £1.62. So it's a good job I used the calculator. £1.62. Okay, now that's how much he pays for every tin after he gets 10% off. He needs 9 tins altogether. So for 9 tins, he's going to pay 9 times £1.62. Now again, going back to the calculator, let the calculator do the hard work. 9 times £1.62, and that gives you £14.58. So the price here is going to be £14.58. So remember, go back to the question. The question says, which of the two shops should Ashley buy the paint from? So I'm going to put Ashley. Let's move this up a bit. should buy the paint from Paint R Us because it is cheaper at £13.14. And that's enough for the final bit of that question. If you look at the whole question and all the workings out, here it is. Now this question is worth 6 marks altogether. Now that's a fair few marks for a question of this type. You need to take your time and follow through the working. Think about each step, each stage that you use, and make sure you take your time and get full marks in it.